In this video, we've picked the best thorn-proof gardening gloves after hours of testing, research, and real use in the garden. If you've ever had thorns tear through your gloves or ended up with scratches while pruning roses or pulling weeds, you know how important true protection is. Not all gloves are made the same. Some work better for delicate pruning, while others are built for heavy-duty jobs in dense, thorny bushes. After trying out dozens of pairs and comparing durability, comfort, and flexibility, we've narrowed it down to the top options that actually keep your hands and arms safe. Whether you're a casual gardener or tackling full-on landscaping, these gloves are built to handle whatever your garden throws at you. Starting off at number 5, we have the Supersfel gardening gloves for men and women. These gloves are a lifesaver if your yard is full of thorny plants that tend to fight back. They're made from tough, natural cowhide leather that's thick enough to resist sharp thorns, with a softer sheepskin palm that adds comfort and flexibility. One of the most impressive things about these gloves is their extra-long sleeve design. They extend all the way to your elbows, giving you full forearm coverage. That means no more scratches from roses, briars, or overgrown branches when you're reaching deep into bushes. The cuffs are soft yet firm, keeping dirt, debris, and bugs from slipping in while you work. Even though they're heavy-duty gloves, they still allow you to move your hands easily, so you can grip tools, pull weeds, and handle plants with precision. During testing, they held up incredibly well against thorny vines and branches, and the inside stayed surprisingly cool and breathable even in the heat. If you deal with dense shrubs, prickly hedges, or anything that tends to tear regular gloves apart, the Supersfel gloves will quickly become your favorite gardening tool. They're durable, comfortable, and built for serious garden protection. Coming in at number 4, we have the Trifabricy leather gardening gloves. These gloves are ideal for people who spend hours in their gardens and need a glove that can keep up with both light and heavy-duty work. Made from abrasion and puncture-resistant cowhide leather, they give you a solid layer of protection against scratches, tools, and rough branches. What sets them apart is how comfortable and flexible they feel despite their toughness. Many leather gloves tend to be stiff at first, but these soften up quickly while keeping their durability intact. They fit snugly around the hands, giving you the dexterity you need for smaller gardening tasks like planting, trimming, or pulling weeds without feeling bulky. The breathable lining helps keep your hands dry, even after long hours of work under the sun. They also have reinforced stitching that adds extra durability, especially around the fingers where most gloves start to wear out. If you're the type of gardener who jumps between delicate tasks like planting flowers and heavier chores like trimming shrubs or digging soil, these gloves offer a perfect balance between flexibility and protection. The Trifabricy gloves are dependable, long-lasting, and designed to handle everything from fine detail work to tough outdoor maintenance. At number 3, we have the SLARMOR long gardening gloves, which are a top choice for anyone who regularly deals with the kind of plants that seem determined to draw blood: roses, holly, bougainvillea, or cactus. These gloves are made from thick, high-quality cowhide split leather that offers incredible resistance against punctures and thorns. But what makes them stand out is their full-arm protection. The sleeve extends all the way to the elbow, keeping your hands and forearms safe from even the most stubborn branches and thorns. The inside is soft and comfortable, so you can wear them for long periods without irritation. The leather feels broken in right out of the box, flexible enough to let you grip shears, spades, or pruning tools without losing control. We tested these gloves on rose bushes and cactus plants, and they performed perfectly. Not a single thorn made it through. They're ideal for heavy-duty gardening or landscaping work where you're constantly reaching into dense, thorny areas. If you've been struggling to find gloves that truly protect both your hands and arms without feeling like armor, the SLARMOR gloves are a great solution. They're rugged, reliable, and built to last season after season. Next up, at number 2, we have the OIZEN cowhide leather thorn-proof gardening gloves. These gloves are one of the most versatile options we found. They're tough enough for thorny plants, but flexible enough for fine work like planting and pruning. Made from 100% genuine cowhide leather, they're naturally resistant to punctures, abrasions, and wear. The material feels durable yet supple, giving you great control over your tools. What's nice about these gloves is that they're not too thick or stiff, so you still have that natural hand movement when performing detailed tasks like tying vines, planting bulbs, or using small tools. The back of the gloves features a breathable stretch fabric that keeps air flowing, reducing sweat buildup during long hours outdoors. They also have elastic wrist closures that keep out dirt and debris while maintaining a snug fit. One smart detail that sets them apart is their touchscreen-compatible fingertips, a small but handy feature for gardeners who use their phones or smart devices without removing their gloves. During extended use, they stayed comfortable, flexible, and showed no signs of cracking or stiffness even after repeated exposure to soil and moisture. These gloves are a great pick if you're looking for something that offers durability, dexterity, and comfort all in one. Perfect for everyday gardening, yard work, and pruning tasks. Finally, at number 1, we have the COOLJOB Thorn-Proof Rose Pruning Gloves, which stood out as the best overall option in our testing. These gloves are purpose-built for gardeners who frequently work with roses, thorny bushes, or other plants that can easily cut or puncture regular gloves. Made with high-quality faux suede leather, they offer impressive strength while staying light and flexible. The extended cuff design provides full protection from your wrists up to your forearms, shielding you from thorns, brambles, and sharp branches. The inside is soft and breathable, allowing you to work for hours without discomfort or hand fatigue. One thing we really liked was the silicone grip dots on the fingers, which help you maintain a secure hold on pruning shears, trowels, or any garden tools even when your hands get sweaty. These gloves are extremely balanced. They're durable enough for heavy pruning, but still comfortable and flexible enough for precision work. The stitching is strong, the materials are built to last, and the fit feels natural once you start moving your hands. If you're someone who spends a lot of time in the garden and needs gloves that can handle anything from delicate trimming to tackling thorny overgrowth, the COOLJOB gloves are easily one of the best thorn-proof gardening gloves on the market today. So that's our roundup of the best thorn-proof gardening gloves. Each one's been tested for real protection, comfort, and flexibility, because the right gloves can turn a tough, scratch-filled job into an easy, enjoyable one. Pick the pair that fits your garden style, and you'll feel the difference right away. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the links below for the latest prices and details.